everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you what the different colors and hotspots mean on Uber Eats driver. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Uber Eats. What are all these different hotspots that you see on this map? So the best way to explain it is that the map colors, red shows the busiest areas, followed by orange and then yellow. And then if it's completely blank, that means it's not a hotspot. So basically what a hotspot is that if you navigate towards that hotspot, you should expect shorter wait times and higher earnings in those areas. Gray dots show places that aren't busy at the moment. So if you're just starting off your shift, you want to go ahead and navigate to where the hotspots are. Next, you have icons and dots. And so these are restaurants with the highest expected demand in the neighborhood and shown with an icon. So dots are used to show other restaurants nearby. So next, you also have restaurant density. So hotspots are often near each other. So look for clusters of icons and dots, which indicate high order activity. So essentially, every time I start my shift, I navigate to where the hotspots and highest dense areas are, just because those tend to have a higher earning capacity. But that is essentially what the different colors and map colors mean on Uber Eats. And this information tends to update every 10 minutes. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next